Predictions for the State of AI and Robotics in 2025. By Aaron Smith and Jana Anderson. The sizable majority of experts surveyed for this report envision major advances in robotics and artificial intelligence in the coming decade. In addition to asking them for their predictions about the job market of the future, we also asked them to weigh in on the following question: to what degree will AI and robotics be parts of the ordinary landscape of the general population by 2025? Describe which parts of life will change the most as these tools advance and which parts of life will remain relatively unchanged. These are the themes that emerge from their answers to this question. AI and robotics will be integrated into nearly every aspect of most people's daily lives. Many respondents see advances in AI and robotics pervading nearly every aspect of daily life. By the year 2025, from distant manufacturing processes to the most mundane household activities. Jeff Jarvis, director of the Tonight Center for Entrepreneurial Journalism at the City University of New York, wrote, "Think Intel inside. By 2025, artificial intelligence will be built into the algorithmic architecture of countless functions of business and communication, increasing relevance, reducing noise, increasing efficiency, and reducing risk across everything from finding information to making transactions." If robot cars are not yet driving on their own, robotic and intelligent functions will be taking over more of the work of manufacturing and moving. Vint Cerf, Vice President and Chief Internet Evangelist for Google, responded, "Self-driving cars seem very likely by 2025. Natural language processing will lead to conversational interactions with computer-based systems. Google search is likely to become a dialogue rather than a client-server interaction. The Internet of Things will be well underway by this time, and interaction with and among a wide range of appliances is predictable. Third-party services to manage many of these devices will also be common." Sto Boyd, lead researcher for Gigam Research, predicted, "Pizzas will not be delivered by teenagers hoping for a tip. Food will be raised by robotic vehicles, even in small plot. Urban farms that will become the norm, since so many people will have lost their jobs to bots. Your X-rays will be reviewed by a battery of Watson-grade eyes, and humans will only be pulled in when the machines disagree. Robotic sex partners will be a commonplace, although the source of scorn and division. The way that critics today bemoan selfies as an indicator of all that's wrong with the world." K.G. Schneider, a university librarian, wrote, "By 2025, AI, robotics, and ubiquitous computing will have snuck into parts of our lives without us understanding to what extent it has happened, much as I just went on a camping trip with a smartphone, laptop, and tablet.